Republican lawmakers from Texas and North Carolina are joining forces to pass what's called the Texas Privacy Act, a so-called bathroom bill similar to one already in place in the Tar Heel state. The proposed law would require people to use public restrooms according to their biological sex, not their gender identity.
We will be next to pass a bill that focuses on privacy, a person's privacy and public safety, but protecting all students and all adults in the most private of all situations, in the showers, the locker rooms, and the bathrooms.
Supporters say they don't want to violate anyone's rights.
This is an issue about doing the right thing. Unfortunately, it's not an issue about the transgender community. It's not an issue about the LGBT community.
In Austin, Texas, leaders in the business and arts communities are united in opposition. They say Texas could lose hundreds of millions of dollars to threaten boycotts if the bill becomes a law.
We've heard from the NFL, we've heard from the NBA, we've heard from the NCAA that they will not bring events to Texas if this legislation is passed.
And they say the bill is discriminatory.
It is intolerable that our government should seek to punish an entire community of innocent people on the excuse that some criminally minded people might pretend to be members of this community and commit acts against which we already have laws.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has declined for now to hear the case of Gavin Grimm. He's the transgender student who went to court saying federal anti-discrimination law gives him the right to use the boys' bathroom at his high school. The High Court sent the case back to the lower courts without ruling on it. But the issue is almost certain to be back before the justices, possibly in the next Supreme Court term. Jim Ryan, ABC News, Dallas.